Day 2. Yeah, I keep forgetting about those. They should have a separate elevator for people in. The same person?
Yeah, that's the person was the person on the scooter. Third time's the charm, be ready for it.
Uh-huh. Or I'm going to take a while to get downstairs.
Yeah, see, somebody stuck their scooter cranked out in the hall.
Yeah, but we don't know if it was left there overnight or not.
There you go.
It's you, isn't it? Oh no.
No, it's yours.
It's me. Let's see if anybody. Oh, people are in it.
Closing on.
That third time was not a charm.
That one closing on.
Yep. These elevators are very, very small.
Are we down?
No, second floor.
Okay. Oh.
We might be on time. Nobody's in it?
Hasn't come up.
Oh.
And it's full. He's not ready to contact that. How can anybody use these?
Get downstairs. Unless we're missing some elevator or something. I hear people.
I know, baby.
We should have just left these
No,
and went down, walked down.
no.
With disabilities.
We're gonna be ready then.
And I've got people coming.
Yeah, be ready. Go ahead. Just a little bit back up.
I'm the only one that will fit in the elevator. We've been sitting here for like 10 minutes waiting for elevators to come up with nobody in them.
Oh, so you need to say that. Why is someone in it and you can go home?
It's a little too early this morning.
Are you trying to video yourself going in?
No, I'm just trying to. Oh, there's nobody. Okay, good. Thank you for your patience and everything. Thank you. Oh, there we go. I don't know.
You're okay.
Oh, okay.
I held it open, but we're gonna ride with it.
Okay, if everybody can squeeze in, yeah.
But I might walk away with this cute purse. That's amazing.
Yeah, I made it.
You did?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
With styrofoam?
No, all those are hand put in beads.
What did you put it? Oh, it was a round.
It's a lunchbox from the 80s.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Okay, you're all set. We'll hold it open for you.
Ah, thank you.
I was hoping it came back up. I didn't do it. I was throwing out of it.
Have fun.
Awesome. Thank you.
I hit you as I was driving out of it. Hopes that it would come right back up to you.
Okay.
Did it come right back up?
I don't know. I can't remember. I was too worried about them listening, but they came in. They were like, we're fine. Oh, it's nice to have a watch too.
7:20.
Yeah. When do they open?
Well, I think it
By the time we go over there, there's going to be about 10 minutes. Okay. She said she was going to kidnap my lunchbox. What a beautiful morning. We had pennies to crush too. This is all in the Disneyland Hotel. Oh! Right. Not too much. Old camera. Is that Walt's camera? No way. Some old toys. Oh God, does that say graduate of 74? Wow. Grad night 74. Oh wow. Wow. These look like stuff that would be in the capsule. There's a Lego Dumbo. We're going to get breakfast. 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 We're going to get breakfast. Huh?
Hi, good morning. What time is your reservation?
I believe it's 7:40. We're early.
All right, that's fine. What's the last name?
Richards?
All right. For Rebecca?
Yes.
Excellent. We have party of two.
Yes.
And we're leaving the ECBs out here so we don't need accessibility. All right. May we get a phone number?
253-561-6999.
Excellent. All right. For the Richards party, are you staying in the resort?
Yes.
hotel? Excellent. You're going to pay at the table. If you have gift cards or discounts, please tell your server. Tips already added. Go ahead and take your complimentary photos, and we'll
Pardon?
call you in to see you.
Thank you. This is all in the Disneyland Hotel.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that is very cool. Wow.
We did them.
Wow. Oh, those are great.
Thank you.
Welcome. Hey.
They have the pie. Oh, it changed. Changed.
And it's this year's costumes. So it's current pictures.
Amy, what are you doing? Amy, party of two?
Well, she went to the restroom.
Oh, okay.
So long.
I don't think this is in there right now.
Way too early in the morning to see a big, huge dog standing in front of you. In 4-H.
I'm wondering if it's kind of person. They're not used to the whole life size. We're bigger than life size for them.
Okay. Right, let me see what I can
It's
do.
Pluto.
Oh. Oh no. Oh no.
Imaginary pictures. They're magic.
It was handmade by us. We made those. No, they're actually lunch boxes from the 80s that are very expensive. Yep.
What's going on here? You want to join in?
Yeah. Hi, Pluto. Good morning.
Your best friend from college relies on you. Give him a free line. Or you guys have a roommate who's kind of a mooch. Or your dog walker needs a solid.
And can I get one with just Pluto?
At the end. Just one photo real quick.
Bring your phone and
Very nice. Got it.
Stay cool in there, okay? Don't get overheated.
visit a Sacramento
There you go.
Verizon.
Thank you, Pluto.
Are we the Richards party?
Yes, we are.
Yeah. Welcome back. Good to see you again. How you
Hi.
doing? Morning.
Morning.
How you
Hi.
doing? Good to see you again.
We made them.
Yep.
Oh my God, that is it. You don't make it those yesterday.
Nope.
No, that's, yeah. I remember, yeah. That's a beautiful one.
Thank you.
Give me your email. Oh, you do tell her what? You made it? Oh, yeah, you better go, my lady. Yeah, you better give us out your email. Yeah, I love that. Why would I want it?
Yeah, mine took a while, so.
All right, everyone, your server will try to be the recorder for you and the character.
Alrighty, thank you.
You're gonna see that.
Oh, I thought it said one child. I was like, what?
You're gonna see every all the characters see us. They come up to see us.
Oh,
Surprised that we got up here. But at least it's a ramp and not stairs.
oh, we love it.
At least it's a ramp and not stairs. Listen.
I think they just keep. Oh, hit me with his hand on my earlobe. And I'm like,
Oh my gosh, what? Are those like
well,
Oh my gosh, how cool! Oh no!
We do this, and then we offer it to the cast members.
Did you make them?
Yes, we did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, we did.
These are
On
originally
Etsy or something, or what?
These
We
are
just made it
originally-
privately.
You, oh my gosh.
They're originally lunchboxes from the 80s, done by Aladdin, formed as Mickey, Minnie, and
And
Simba.
Simba. And that's all. They stopped making them.
And then we painted them and then put the stones on them. And I had to bring Jack for Halloween.
I know, those are like the coolest things, you guys. Seriously. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Trick or treat.
Yes.
Okay.
You guys deserve one too.
Oh my gosh, like they're so cool. You can use them as a burgers too.
Uh-huh.
Some people do. We actually bought a one that someone did up as Stitch. And on the back they put metal hooks and included a metal chain where it could be used as a purse.
Oh my gosh, they're so awesome. I mean, you could like literally just display it as like a piece of art in a case and stuff too.
For
people
her,
sell 'em. People
for
sell
her,
'em.
this is like her 9th one. This one's just my 2nd one.
How long does it take? Because I mean, that's a lot.
Well, it depends because I mean you've got to sit there and get all the right rhinestones to do
and I
it.
mean, like,
Yeah, and you're doing it
I
stone
mean,
by
and work it
stone.
like that.
Yeah, that one
I mean,
is.
they must
This
sell
one
for
we got a
She
stencil.
she hand did that one.
You got a stencil. I
Yep.
drew it on there, and then I stoned it in all individual
So how many
stones.
hours do you think?
This one was probably about because I had to go slower because of the painting and everything else. We're looking more at days.
My very first one, it took me like 1 or 2 months because I was not connecting with it.
So
This one took me like a month.
yeah,
Let
I
me
can
see
see.
here.
I mean, right? I mean, yeah.
Because number one, I didn't know what I was gonna do, and number two, you have to like intricately like put
This
them.
is the other one she has at home that she did.
I forgot I did a 3rd one.
And then so like how much have you seen for they have to be like so expensive?
The highest we've seen somebody sell one for is about 1,500.
No, there was one that was $2,000 because it
Oh,
was one of the Star Wars characters.
Oh yeah, yeah, $2,000.
That is like, those are really, really cool. Oh my gosh.
But an average price that people are selling them for is between 300 and 475, something like that.
And
Yeah.
so it's like a character lunchbox that's been bedazzled pretty much.
Yeah, they were done by Aladdin back in the 80s.
In the 80s. I mean, that itself, because it's like vintage. It's
Yeah,
like,
you can go on eBay and search Aladdin Mickey lunchbox head, and you'll come up. And they're in different shapes. We got one that the nose was all dented in. I had to sit there and carefully pop it out. Of course, there was a little hole,
Yeah.
but it was small enough that I could cover it with one of the stones. I mean, it wasn't this one. This one was in really good shape. But it's like when we have to paint them and stuff, that takes more time.
yeah. Oh my gosh, that is incredible. That's like one of the coolest
Like I did one around time of Pride where I did it rainbow all the way down.
And that
then
was for my
because
50th birthday.
We came right before Pride,
Yeah.
and it was her 50th birthday. So on the back of the ears were black, and I did a 5 and a 0.
That is so cool. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. Well, welcome to Goofies.
Hello.
Have you been here before?
Yes, yesterday.
Yesterday, actually,
Oh, all right. Well,
didn't realize. I mean, we knew that we had a reservation for today.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was a last minute decision to come in yesterday after we got here. So
Oh, nice. Well, welcome back. Were you here last night or in
yeah,
the morning?
well,
Okay.
afternoonish. I mean, it was probably about what 1 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we
so,
got the mid between breakfast and
Got
lunch.
you.
We're
Yeah,
doing-
the buffet will be kind of looking the same. You're more than welcome to go and get started. If these friends are still going to come right to the table, if I may get you something to drink.
Iced tea for me, please.
Okay.
let's see. It's Coke products, so you probably don't have like Dr. Pepper or Mr. Pibb.
No, I've been trying to fight for those, but we have no beer.
Yeah,
I
I
want
need
to replace the
caffeine
root beer
Coke.
with Mr. Pibb.
Coke. I
didn't
need the
win.
caffeine because I can't stop it yet.
I'll be right back. If you have any questions, anything else, my name's Amber, just let me know, okay?
Cool,
You wanna
thank
get
you.
started when you're ready?
Thank
Go
you.
ahead first because we're going to want someone to stay here at the table with these things.
Oh, Mickey French toast. Mickey waffles. Mickey waffles. Mickey waffles, Mickey waffles. Mickey waffles. Cereal and bacon.
Enjoy. Oh, it's good. Really good. I appreciate it. Here she is. What happened?
Can I get a fried egg white? Okay. Yeah.
Just straight white.
Yeah.
You got a white fritter over there.
Oh yeah. It's
See that?
Yeah. She wants to know if you want cheese.
Oh, yes. I didn't even know they did plain egg butter. Thank you.
Can I get olives and mushrooms put in that? I'm sorry, I did it too late. Awesome, thank you. This is Goofy's Kitchen. It is an all-you-can-eat bar. Okay. Ah, okay. Thank you. Chicken tortilla. here. God, you can spend almost all your day in here. Oh, jeez. Cheese board. Pumpkin nut toast. Eggs, cream cheese. Boots, olives.
When they save it for later.
She hand did that. Mm-hmm.
She did that one.
Mm-hmm. It took me a while.
Candy pieces on the back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It took us a while. Mm. 2 months. 2 months. Got it. Yes. And also good morning and stay cool in there, okay? Don't get overheated.
Yeah.
Yes. Don't let nobody take that.
Don't let your brother take it from you.
Yes.
Don't let him take it. Now, I got to show you something while you were getting your food.
Oh, she came up here. Oh.
So I took pictures of her with it, and I gave her a piece of candy out of yours.
Okay. Yeah, mine wasn't shedding.
Yeah, yours is harder to shut. So I'm going to go get my food now. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Did you find everything okay?
Thank you.
got an omelet made for you?
No, just egg whites.
Yeah, there's people in here. We'll start with this.
He gave him his candy.
Oh yeah, because they have a hard time.
It's Halloween time! And here at Goofy's Kitchen, we like to stir up fun with a trick-or-treat trough. So get ready to wave napkins, clap your hands, and celebrate! Some of our favorite friends are mixing together for a happy Halloween!
Okay. Biscuits and gravy is supposed to have some taste to it, and then they put it in their heat light.
Go, Minnie! A little early in the morning for this.
But from the looks of it, this chip is a little bit more chipper. I was gonna say. First bite of Goofy.
Thank you.
Sitting in the heat. Sitting in the heat against cold. I mean, I understand it's about the that much, but someone.
Goofy.
complainer.
What's going on?
Kitchen Brady. Tractor plate is cold.
Okay, I'll see if I can. Do you want me to see if they can make something frustrating?
No, I mean, it's a bit, I understand that, but I mean, I got it straight from the heat lamp, as well as in the containers that's supposed to be heated. And they're like, they've just been sitting. That's the temperature.
Yeah. Okay.
And like I said, I hate to be
You don't want me to
complaining.
see. You don't want me to see if they can make you some good ones, like heat it up and stuff.
I just don't want it to be microwave. I don't want it to just take a couple and microwave it and say,
Yeah.
oh, here you go with it.
Yeah.
That's
I
why I'm
wonder
like,
if like the thing underneath's not on or something. You
well,
know what
and
I'm
that's
saying?
why I'm saying something.
Okay.
It's like I said, I hate to be a complainer.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, I've worked in service industry and all sorts of stuff. You know.
Yeah, I'll let them know for sure because maybe it's not might not be fired up.
Well, and that's why I'm saying something.
Yeah.
And that's why I started it right off with, I hate to be a complainer. I
No,
don't want to be
appreciate
one of
asking,
those
yeah,
that, you know. No.
I'll go see. I'll go let them know and see if they can.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone's coming back. Yeah. Okay, perfect. I just want to make sure. Because we are so
How are you? Perfect. Outfit is on
The
point.
outfit, yes.
Nice. Did Minnie make that outfit for you? Oh, you
You
did?
made it.
Oh. Because Minnie was talking about how she was going to make an outfit that she was wearing for me. She was going to sew it.
Cut out the
Nice.
pattern and told you how to sew it.
Oh, so it was a team effort. Awesome. And it looks nice.
I love it. I love it. Especially the hat. The hat is just really
On point. Looks good. Yes. Bye. Was it good?
Yeah, how was it?
Okay.
How hard is the waffles?
Oh, they're not that hard. The outside is a little. Inside's kind of mushy. Do you have any more? Are you gonna use it?
I can get more. They got the empty little containers and it's just like in a little spigot thing.
I didn't see it when I was over there.
It's on this side right by the s'mores pie pizza thing.
Yeah.
It's right in a little. Here's your little butter packet.
All right, I let my manager know, so he's.
Thank you.
Thank you for letting us know.
Thank you, Amber. Name's Amber.
Yeah.
That'd be fun if I said the wrong name. Oops.
I was right. Now to tell the difference between Dip and Dale. thing they list.
Just celebrate
First thing I said, the one thing I said about how to tell the difference between Chip and Dale is the first thing they list. Chip has a small black nose, while Dale has a large red nose. Some say that Chip's nose looks like a chocolate chip. Teeth. Chip has one tooth, while Dale has two buck teeth with a gap between them.
Well, you can't see their teeth.
Hair. Chip has short, smooth hair, while Dale has ruffled hair. But I think they both in these costumes have short, smooth hair. Yeah, I think the only way to tell the difference is their noses. But I was right. I think I did it without Googling it. I just did that for verification.
One of them is just antisocial. The other one's more touchy-touchy. That was more touchy-touchy.
I wonder if one of the touchy-touchies today is
This is where we should be using our straws.
yeah, these are supposed to be. Ooh. Two cups.
Hmm?
Two cups. I'll let you go the way.
I didn't see it.
I'm going to go get some other food.
I'll leave my controller here.
I'm going to see about getting an omelet.
refills.
Thank you.